in Adina, a southern community within the Ketu municipality of the Volta region. The operations of this company within Adina was protested by the residents because before its operations, there was no community engagement, nor was there environmental impact assessment carried out by the company and units submitted to the Environmental Protection Agency for approval. Residents feared and foresaw the negative impacts of the operations of this company would have on their livelihoods, dangers to their lives, and the entire environment. They took steps and wrote to the Minerals Commission and the Environmental Protection Agency, making a strong case, stating reasons why it was imperative to stop the operations of this company within this area. Unfortunately, all of this fell on the deaf ears, and it wasn't long before disaster struck. Many residents have lost their lives through drowning due to the deep trenches dug through the creation of dikes that the company was erecting in the wetlands that would use to serve as a source of fishing activity for the local residents. The most recent death was created and left behind by the company at Lake Cover, far away from the concession granted them by the Minerals Commission in Adina. It is important to state, without any shade of doubt, that the 7 Seas Salt Company Limited was only licensed to mine salt at Adina by the Minerals Commission per our checks and correspondence with the relevant stakeholders. And we have documents backing it here. The media can have it later.
Thank you.
The company illegally invaded other adjoining wetlands within the municipality, including Hydranal, Adafienu, Akame, Adina, Danu, and Viepetoko, without any approval by the Minerals Commission and the Environmental Protection Agency. The company destroyed the water bodies in these electoral areas, destroyed the lagoon lands, and constructed bridges and deep killer trenches in the lagoon, thereby blocking the natural flow of rainwater into the lagoon, and in the process, increasing the risk of flooding in the surrounding communities when it rains. The company also failed to erect warning signposts indicating to people that the existence of these trenches it has created in the lagoon, knowing very well that the lagoon serves as a source of fishing activities for the local folks. And I want to believe here that the company has forgotten that there is something called the Maslow law of needs. From our investigations, the company failed to apply and satisfy all provisions in Section 11 of the Minerals and Mining Act 703. In a report filed by the head of the NADMO in the municipality after the death of the pregnant mother and her 3 children, NADMO stated in its report that it observed many communities within that enclave will get flooded, including Akame and Nogopo and other adjoining communities due to the creation of deep trenches and the erection of bridges in the lagoon, which is blocking off the natural waterways within the lagoon. And we have evidence to that effect. We have the NADMO report here. This is it. This is it. And Paul Alonso is the head of NADMO in the municipality. It is stated that the numerous bridges and deep trenches will make the lagoon unable to receive flood water and sewage from the many culverts and gutters within the municipality, especially during rainy season. In its recommendation, NADMO stated that the company immediately stopped the creation of the dikes and ridges in the lagoon. The office also demanded the environmental impact assessment conducted by the company and duly submitted to the EPA for approval, as well as the feasibility studies done by the company before approval was given for its operations by the Minerals Commission. NADMO also requested documentations from the Minerals Commission and the Environmental Protection Agency granting access to the other wetlands within the municipality. 7 Seas Company Limited completely disregarded Section 16 and 24 of the Water Resources Commission Act 1996 at 522. Journalists should take note. When it entered the water space at Lagraphy Copper within the Viepatoko electoral area, where the recent 4 deaths occurred by altering the flow of the water by the creation of ridges, dikes, and deep killer trenches. The question is why the 7 Seas Company Limited ignored the recommendation of NADMO, the body mandated by law in Ghana to help in the prevention of disaster, when it issued its report and asked that the company immediately put a stop to their illegal expansion and creation of ridges and deep trenches in the lagoon, and provide documentation from the Minerals Subsection 1 and 2 and 3 of the Local Governance Act 2016 at 936. The MCE is here, he can answer that. This is captured in the letter written to the company by the former municipal chief executive, Honorable Adam Elliot Agbanau, who asked the company as a matter of urgency stop the illegal expansion exercise it was carrying out in new concessions of the lagoon within the municipality without the approval of the Minerals Commission and the Environmental Protection Agency. We have a letter here to cover that.
Only one Indiaman.
Unfortunately, this company ignored all this with impunity and continued with its expansion exercise, which has resulted in the untimely death of our pregnant sister and her children.
Why?
We have some demands to put before the of Petition to the President of the Republic of Ghana and to the stakeholders who are concerned. If these demands are not met, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to put our life on the run.
Yes.
If these demands are not met, we are putting our lives on the line. Na me kwena me apa MCE manado me apa president agbo ye nkaka ya John Biela ba emuro ro ara ba mafa ka bi kata me kuku garata Now our demands: 1, the company should immediately halt the expansion of its activities into Adafienu, Hedranao, Akama, Viepatoko, and the new electoral areas with immediate effect and focus on its concession at Adina. Yes. 2, the company should, as a matter of urgency, remove all ridges created, and close the deep killer that trenches. Demand number 3. The company should provide an environmental impact assessment report, community engagement report, and feasibility study report duly submitted to the EPA and the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources through the Minerals Commission in lieu of Adafienu, Hajana, Akame, Diepatoko, and Janu concessions, as well as the subsequent approval granted it by the EPA and the Minerals Commission. Yes. The last but not least, the company should provide the exploration license documents from the Minerals Commission and the EPA, granting its access to other wetlands in the municipality, including Hajana, Adafienu, Akame, Janu, and Biepa Toko, and its environs. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to give names of those who endorse this. The concerned citizens of Petition are today giving you this letter to be given to the regional minister and subsequently routed to the President of the Republic of Ghana. We have stated our concerns in this letter and we demand some actions to be taken within a matter of agency. We are craving your indulgence that respectfully everything in here should be adhered to so that there will be peace in this community. Thank you.
And the asset. And we are many young you. And we have been about to be. Mushamao, Ikaba, and we are not top there. Thank you. Negative side of America. I can never force the couple of years strongly united people. Yay! Manage to know Mishama. But Kafra, as on your Zomba, met of Brunia. I'm a two Abba. I will not disappoint you. And one you try, if we make a number I hope you come Pokoya. Never regional minister at the point. Never be told that His Excellency, and I will not have letter here. I will send it to them, and the right thing will be done.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.